Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Abdul Basit, chemistry teacher, Bagh School, Muridke. Dear students, today we will discuss worksheets related to alkanes. We will discuss in this session question number 27 and 37. Question number 27. Alkanes are a homologous series of saturated hydrocarbons. What is the general formula for alkanes? As you know that the general formula for alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. Next question is, draw the structures of the two isomers of C4H10. As you know that isomers are those molecules which have same molecular formula but different structural formulas. So CH3 twice CH3 and CH3 CH2 bond CH3 will be the structure of the isomers as shown in the diagram. One of the isomers of C4H10 butane reacts with chlorine in the presence of ultraviolet light. It forms hydrogen chloride gas and a mixture of liquid compounds. Name this type of reaction. As you know that alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons and saturated hydrocarbons only undergo substitution reactions. So the substitution reaction will be taking place while reacting with butane with chlorine. Draw the structures of one of the liquid compounds. The structure of the compounds will be CH3 CH2 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 Cl. You just have to remove one hydrogen atom, replace it with chlorine atom. Name the process by which butane is separated from the crude oil. It's fractional distillation, and the principle for fractional distillation is on the basis of their boiling points. Lower fractions will have lower boiling point and they will be collected at the top of the column, while the fractions with greater number of carbon atoms will be distilled off at the bottom of the fractionating column. Question number 37. It is about alkanes are a homologous series of hydrocarbons. There are two alkanes with the molecular formula C4H10. Draw the structure showing all the atoms and all the bonds of these two alkanes. As you know that you will have to draw the isomers of butane. These are the two isomers for butane. B part, one of the alkanes with the molecular formula C4H10 is butane. Butane is used as a fuel. Construct the equation for the complete combustion of butane. As you can see from the equation that 2 moles of butane are reacting with 13 moles of oxygen and they are producing 8 moles of carbon dioxide and 10 moles of water. Describe one problem associated with incomplete combustion of butane. As you know that incomplete combustion always produces carbon monoxide and water. As you know that carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. It attaches with hemoglobin and produces carboxyhemoglobin instead of oxygen. So poisonous gas will enter your lungs as well as to the whole body. Butane reacts with chlorine in the presence of ultraviolet radiation. Write an equation for this reaction. The equation for the reaction is C4H10. 1 mole of butane is reacting with 1 mole of chlorine and it is producing 1 mole of C4H9Cl and 1 mole of HCl. D part, nonane C9H20 is heated strongly in the presence of a catalyst. Two products are made, an alkane G and an alkene H. Name this type of reaction. As you know that higher hydrocarbons are being broken down into smaller hydrocarbons by the process of cracking. So cracking will be done in this reaction. Alkane G contains 84% carbon by mass. Calculate the molecular formula for G. As you know that the total percentage of G is 84% of carbon. So we will minus it from 100. We will gain the percentage of hydrogen by mass in G. That will be equal to 100 minus 84. That will be equal to 16%. Now we calculate moles of G. 84 divided by 12 equal to 7 moles of G, while the number of moles of hydrogen in G are 16 divided by 1. So there is a ratio of 7:16 in the molecule. So the molecular formula is C7H16. Suggest a molecular formula for H. The formula for H is C2H4. I thank you all for your precious time.